Here is a Monty Wards Signature deluxe box fan. I had gotten this from Marketplace over in Detroit last year sometime. I don't remember exactly. I think it was in the spring. But 3-speed, non-reversible, but it's got a thermostat control on it. It has a very interesting stand. It pivots in like 3 different ways. Well, 2 anyway. Anyway, this can go down and it'll bring the fan up. Then you can obviously rotate that whichever direction you wish. Anyway, start up on low. I have not cleaned this thing yet, nor have I oiled it. I have it out here in the shop. Very powerful fan, as most of these are pretty powerful with the Venturi ring. As you can tell in there. Little medium. And high. I'm about 7 feet away from it. See, you're back up all the way to the wall. Now we're about 12 feet from it. And it blows some pretty good wind. Obviously works. And go off. I believe this fan might have possibly been wood grain. I say that because this is not the original color. They've obviously spray painted this, as there's some really shitty overspray. So, could have been brown, could have been wood grain. My guess is probably wood grain, because a lot of these deluxe models were wood grain. But, anyway, that's it, and until next time.